Well, I guess this is a Harbor Freight. Probably a piece of junk, right? Anyways, so I received this the other day. I bought it. It was on Marketplace. And so I got it centered up. And I have no clue on how it's going to go or anything. But I got it for 50 bucks. What can go wrong? So let's see if this thing can do any damage to me. I had to fix one thing that it was cast iron. Actually, it's cast steel, and whoever used this cracked it, so I had to redo it. Now it came with a 8-piece wood chisel set, right? So let's see if this is gonna kill me. All right. Looks like somebody already got bent on this thing. Well, they put my glove on. Hold on, guys. I got a UPS package. Just in time. You get one for you give me a label of one. Then you get a label for this one. Yeah, I know. Hey, still driving, right? Thank you, brother. All right. I shipped out a couple of things, guys. All right, is this still on? It sure is. All right, let's get back down to business. Yeah, look at this thing. It's already bent. What a piece of crap. Yeah, I get new ones anyways of my own. But this is pretty bad shape right now. But let's go for it. You know, the basic blade work. Let's move this down. I mean, you know, guys, for basic, lathe work, it's gonna be okay. To do, I'm gonna have to change a few things because I don't like the way this is set up and everything. So, but you know me here at Oh Crap, what's next? I'll make it work. Yeah, I welded that cast steel weld this morning. Worked out pretty good so far. a piece of oak firewood. Yeah, I mean, look at this thing already. It's a piece of crap, you know, Chinese junk. It's already bent. But, you know, it's working, so I guess, yeah, this is, I mean, you know, if you want to do something for 50 bucks, I'm not going to complain about it. I'll move some levers around and whatnot and make it, of course, more efficient and more better. It's my first startup on it, so. Yeah, we got some little issues. So I'm gonna have to put like an arm on this. So that's loose here too. Yeah, it's kind of hokey. Kind of hokey, very hokey. Hokey wokey. And what do you want for 50 bucks, right? But being an ex-machinist years ago when I was young, it's weird how they get this thing set up. It's got a flat spot on it, but that's not totally right. So yeah, it's gonna need some work, guys. It's gonna make a nice little. I guess this is a black oak. It'll work once I, you know, do some work on it and fix it up. So that's kind of cool. It's just if I want to make something long, like a spindle leg or something, 50 bucks, you can't go wrong, right? Let's talk about this maple flooring I got. So I got 2 piles this much right here, and got it all ready to go. You got a little scraping when I put them in, but that's all set. And then right now I am going to be working on the shed. I'll take you over there, guys. Yeah, so I did a cast steel weld. It's not cast iron, but it's similar. It's steel that's casted. It's close to cast iron, but it's not. Anyway, this is the primed. I got it all primed to go, and I'm going to paint it right now. And finish this up and put the shelves in and call it good. All right, guys, we'll talk to you in a little bit.